What's up, guys? You have no idea how many times I've started this already, but this one's it. This is the one we're going with. Welcome back to Tape Measure Pencil Night. Today I'm replacing the fire pit at the octagon back here. When I built it, I just used regular bricks instead of fire bricks, so it didn't last. We got about 4 years out of it. The bricks are falling apart. The mortar joints are just cracking. They could not hold up to the heat. But I have an idea. We're just gonna cover the old bricks in concrete. That way I don't really have to do a lot of work on removing them and rebuilding it. I'm just gonna use some 1/4-inch plywood and make some forms, put it on both sides of the bricks, and then put some chicken wire in there and fill it full of concrete. Cover the bricks completely. Just hide them inside of the concrete. So it'll look like a concrete fire pit and no one will know there's bricks in there, except the internet. Okay, here we go. How to replace a brick fire pit with a concrete fire pit without having to remove the bricks from the fire pit area. Going in a concrete grave. Concretey. It's a word. Let's go. Well, had to go to Lowe's again. I underestimated the circumference of the fire pit. I thought for sure 2 8-foot strips would make it around the outside. And then I had 2 more to do the smaller one on the inside. Should have done better math. I broke one of them anyway, so I would have had to go to Lowe's had I done good math. Good math. I got 4 new strips cut, and I'm watering them out in the yard so they'll bend better. I would have finished this yesterday, but after Lowe's, I realized college football was on. Let's watch that instead of sweat to death in the backyard. Anyway, the 11-inch strips, the new ones, have been getting watered for quite a while now, so I think they're ready to bend and finish the form. Still early. Give me a minute. Get the wheels turning. A little caffeine. If I get a coffee, we'll figure this out. God, this is terrible. A terrible video. Now I realized I'm yelling at 6:30 in my neighborhood.
Finish him!
You win! Perfect!
the next step is to just wait. We're gonna give it a day, might give it 2 days, because I've gone through 21 bags of concrete and my back did not appreciate that. Let's just hope I never build a concrete fire pit again. But if you're thinking about building one, go for it. It's so easy, anybody could do it. Just start. You don't have to even think any more about it. Go to Lowe's, get the stuff, start a fire pit. You'll thank me when you're finished. Or you might want to kill me when you're finished. If you finish. It's terrible. It was the worst thing I've ever done. Maybe not the worst. But the point is, it wasn't any fun. It wasn't fun at all. I didn't have a good time with it. But the good times aren't supposed to happen while you're building it, they happen later. It's a fire pit. Everyone gathers around the fire. Conversations are had. Beverages are consumed. Okay, here we go. Let's see the finished product. Let's take off those forms after it sets, of course. You know what I mean. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Well, in my absence, I'll be surely missing you. I've been working every day, and I sure hope you love this too. I never gave you cause to doubt me. Hope you always think about me. And if you think I'm gonna find another, it ain't true. Keep the home fire burning while I'm gone. I'll be back to fan the flame, it won't be long. Just a while and then I'm back where I belong. Keep the home fire burning while I'm gone. Keep the home fire burning. Won't you keep it burning, honey, while I'm gone?
That's it. Another successful tape measure pencil knife. I took a sledgehammer the other day and knocked the forms off. And then I realized the edges weren't very nice. They were kind of sharp. Pretty sharp edges, a little dangerous. I didn't know what to do, so I just got my sander out with some 40 grit sandpaper. Smoothed it right out. It was perfect. I don't know. I'm not a concrete expert. I'm not an expert on anything. I just do things that I think I should do. Probably shouldn't. Concrete fire pit. I don't know what else to say here. That's it. From all of us here at Tape Measure Pencil Knife, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Only you can prevent wildfires. Make a concrete ring. You could do it. So easy. Just forget what I said earlier. It's easy. It's been like 3 or 4 days. I don't even remember it being that bad. Just do it. You got it. I'll see you next time. Only you can prevent wildfires. 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 See you next time.
Won't you keep it burning, honey, while I'm gone?